Everybody looking fly. I think the house is valued around like 4 million. What is good, YouTube? Montel Christopher Gordon here, aka The Last Pariah, back with another video. This time we're holding the camera that can only mean one thing. It is my first vlog. So the plan is to go London, check out the boy Easy J Brown down there, see his new crib, whatnot, chill at the crib for a bit. Then tomorrow we go out to the club, turn up, have fun, you know, blow off some steam here and there. You gotta blow off some steam sometimes. So yeah, I'm just gonna vlog my journey, what we do, whatever we get up to. There's no real plan to this. There's no real script or anything. I'm just gonna go off the top of my head, see what comes up, see what I can come up with. So we're just here back at the crib, picking up some clothes before we head out to London, London town. Yo, you excited or what, bro? You excited or what? I'm kinda excited right now.
You out here, baby.
Yeah, but those curls though. Yo, shout out your Instagram real quick.
Oh shit.
Still at the crib, making sure I got all my shit packed, my bags in the car, but I'm pretty much ready to go. Let's get it. It's looking wild right now. So everyone's saying almost there. We got like 20 minutes left. Soon touchdown. Look at this traffic though. We ain't even in LA, bro. What is this? J-Rock in the MCM? Is that you? Alright, what you saying, man? Shout out your Instagram real quick.
Tyrese Gibbs, you on it.
Come out tomorrow.
Just getting some work done. Finishing off this YouTube video, trying to upload it tonight. I don't know where I'm going with this vlog right now. Just probably seeing a lot of traveling, a lot of the house and whatnot. But I'm gonna try to get some content. I'm trying to take 5 minutes out here and every now and again and just talk to the camera for a bit. But I have no idea what I'm saying in this camera right now. I cannot lie. I think the plan for this weekend is to chill today on a Friday and then maybe go out to a club on the Saturday, turn up a little bit, blow off some steam with the homies, you know what I'm saying? Care package just delivered. Oh my god.
Yo, why do you always do this?
Why do you always do that? Which guy? Oh my god. This guy about. Check out the care package that just came through the door through the carrier. This weekend is going to be crazy, bro.
Oh wait, that game's not done as well.
Got the boy Braz over here putting in a quick workout. Rest of the dudes are just chilling. I think I'm gonna head out tonight. Yeah, as you guys can see, the house is absolutely insane. Shout out to Izzy Brown for letting us stay over for the weekend. I think the house is valued at around like 4 million or something like that. Something crazy like that. Super, super inspiring. Hanging around this guy just makes me want to step up. Step my game up, I've got to go harder. After this weekend, back straight to the grind. But for tonight, we're turning up. Literally, everyone's just getting ready. Now I'm gonna head out to a bar, I think. Not too sure where we're going, but we're gonna end up in Liberty, and I think that's the plan for tonight. It's gonna be a big one. Stay tuned, yo. You know the boy's gotta represent his own brand in London. Come on, you know how we do. Everybody looking fly. Everybody looking fly. Yes, sir. Wait. Thanks, my brother. Fresh.
Take a one.
On the way to the club. Let's get it. Out here, the taxi. That's a little brother right there. Jay, say something to YouTube, man. You're on YouTube now. London is such a beautiful city. Look at the views, yo.
Get your respect in diamonds. I bought a plane, James. So we like to call rep your ass.
Yeah, it's Big Ben. It's the boy Big Ben.
So Grace, what you saying tonight, girl? Grace talking, what you saying?
2 minutes.
Used to be with Vashti and Santos. That's on Tommy Campbell's. We live like Sopranos.
Yeah, that was good. Usually this trip is maybe 1 hour, 1 hour.
What's this? MI6?
No, MI6 is over there. We passed him.
MI6 over there?
No, yeah.
Oh, we passed it. I always thought this one was MI6.
No.
Pulled up to the spot, radio rooftop bar, going all the way up. It's gotta be one of the nicest hotels in London. Not that I've stayed at many hotels in London. But we're not even actually staying in London today, we're just going straight to the top floor, to the rooftop bar. You guys gotta see this, wait until I show you. It's crazy. You gotta use a special key and everything just to get to the top of the floor. It's mad. Rooftop bar. Yeah, rooftop bar. It's crazy. View of London. What keeps me driving is this right here. Pulling up to the club. In the back of the club. Hey, what's up, boss?
See my dreams unfold, nightmares come true. It was time to marry the game, and I said, yeah, I do. I did it without an hour. And rest in peace to the parking lot. Phantom so big, can't even fit in the parking lot. Oh, wait a minute, now that I was finished.
Literally had the craziest weekend. Packing our stuff now, heading home. Can't wait to get back on the hustle, back on the grind. Super inspired right now. Gotta chase that bag. Everything over here is just so much quicker and just so much bigger and better, man. Just Sheffield is nice, but it's just so quiet. There's no really like in London you see like Lamborghinis drive by every like 10 minutes. Super inspiring. Fell in love with London this weekend, I cannot lie. Heading home. Yo, I'm so hungover right now still.
I know, I was just stood in the shower for time, like,
You know everyone's broken when we just sat listening to nothing. Still got a long drive to go. Probably gonna pass out. Probably gonna pass out, I'm not gonna lie. Probably gonna pass out and get some sleep. Probably see you in Sheffield. Yes. Yo, it's been blessed, fam. Link up soon, yeah?
Link up soon.
My guy. Back in the city.
2.
Soon do a part 2.
Mixtape Monopoly ho.
What a nigga, why wait? I ain't tryna take it on the date. What a lane got to wait. If you ain't tryna get it on start, I throw the money in your face.
Woo! As you can see, guys, London was fun. That was probably the best weekend I have ever had in my entire life. Super cool to be around, super successful people. It's mad inspiring. Literally, when you're around these people, you just want to step up your game. You just want to elevate. You just need to get to that next level. You're hungry. It is now the Monday. I woke up early, did some work because I was just super inspired. Shout out to all my London brothers for that weekend there. That was an amazing weekend. I'm not going to forget that anytime soon. It's always a blessing to come down to London because you guys always show me the best spots, the best places to go. You show me what real life is. So I hope this video has been a little bit inspiring to you guys and shown you like what life can really be like on the other side. When you chase your dreams, you strive for it, put 200% into it, and you go all out on your dreams no matter what anybody else tells you. Sorry you guys that I didn't talk too much in the vlog. I was too busy living it up with my brothers and having a good time, and that's what it's all about. Sometimes I gotta get away from the camera, get away from work, and just blow off some steam. But I'm back on the grind now, trying to drop a video every single day of the week from now on. Gotta focus up on YouTube now. I hope you guys can take some inspiration from the contents of this video because this was a big wake-up call for me. I remember one of the first times I went down to London and I truly saw what the other side of life was like. It was such a big wake-up call for me because I was still at university, I was still in limbo mode. I didn't know whether to stay at university or drop out and pursue my dreams. And that kind of showed me what life can really be like if you go out there and pursue your dreams and you work for yourself and you hustle and you bust your ass to get what you want. If I wasn't walking up to this type of lifestyle, then I probably would still be in university or just finishing, and I'd probably be working for someone else right now, making 20k a year or something like that, which is more than I make now, but still, that's not what I want to be doing with my life. It doesn't matter about the money at this point. So with me, it's like, if there is a chance to make it, even if that chance is microscopically small, I'm still going to take that shot. That's just the person I am. But anyway, if you've enjoyed the video, please give me a big thumbs up. It would be very much appreciated. And if you haven't already, make sure you join the family by hitting that big beautiful subscribe button below. See you in the next one. Peace.